pineapple cake may look spiky on the outside, but isn't it delicious on the inside? This pineapple cake has 3 delicious layers of vanilla cake and buttercream, dressed with candy petals and leaves to make it look like a festive pineapple. Cooking Company will take you step by step into making this deliciousness at your table today. Are you ready? All you need is 250 grams of cake mix. Put it in a bowl and add 3 eggs. We're going to add 30 millilitres of oil to that, and we're going to add 60 millilitres of milk. Give it a whisk. What we want is a nice, smooth, creamy consistency. Perfect, look at that. Next we're going to spray our cake tin with some oil. Going to add some wax paper to the bottom of that if you have it, and then pour our vanilla cake mix into the tin. That wax paper just helps later on when you want to remove the cake from the tin. Give it a tap and stick it in the oven for 30 minutes on 180 degrees, baking into deliciousness. Next, 200 grams of white chocolate melted equally into 2 bowls. Add food colouring to each of those bowls, a yellow food colouring and a green food colouring. Next, we get some baking paper and we add the melted white chocolate yellow colour to make petal shapes. When we've done that, we start adding the green colour. We're making longer shapes for this. This is going to be the leaves of the pineapple or the stem. Once we've done that, we're going to put those in the refrigerator for 20 minutes to set. And when they're ready, we'll take them out and very, very slowly remove them from our baking paper. This is a delicate operation because these pieces could break easily. Now our vanilla cake is ready. We're going to slice it and start to add our buttercream icing. A very generous layer in between each. Don't be afraid about it sticking out of the sides because we're going to sort that out later. So layer by layer, we add our vanilla buttercream icing. Now, we're going to scrape it around the outside, just remove those excess pieces to smooth it out before we put buttercream around the entire outside of the cake. This is going to be a buttercream deliciousness. Look at that. Now, this part takes a little bit of time, but definitely it is worth it. We can smooth that all out with a piece of plastic or something similar to that, getting it ready to put our decorations on. Time to add the petals. We're going to stick them on one by one, all the way around the edge and along the top. I don't know about you, but I find this rather therapeutic. Okay, time to add our green leaves. We're going to put some cocktail sticks through those to make sure that we can stick them in the cake nice and firmly to make our centerpiece, our pineapple stem. This is a delicate operation, so we have to be very gentle with these chocolate pieces and take our time. It is absolutely worth it because look at this fantastic result. An amazing looking pineapple cake, and I bet it tastes great too.